Hey friends, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily edition for Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024. And the S&P had its first down day in 8 days. It wasn't a significant down day, only pulled back 0.16%. But just a little statistic for you. Prior to Wednesday, SPY had recorded an 8-day winning streak of more than 5%. It's only the 9th time that had ever happened, right? And on the prior 8 instances, the SPY had never closed higher on day 9, all right? And so that track record holds true as of yesterday because day 9 was in fact a down day as well. Now, if you're wondering what this blue line is on my chart, I've had this on my chart for months. If we zoom out to a weekly chart, this is a big Fibonacci extension level, and I say it's a big one because it's from the 2022 high to the low of the 2022 bear market. All right, we take the 1.618 extension from this big swing down, it takes us to where that blue line is. And you can see how on the daily chart, that was we kind of broke above it tentatively when this SPY made the new all-time high, and we're kind of struggling at that level again. And as I said a couple of days ago, how SPY handles its first pullback is going to be crucial. Do we get a little gap fill? Maybe a pullback to the 50 SMA and then buy the dip, or do things just fall apart from there? Gun to my head, I would say that the next dip is more likely to be buyable, but we'll make that assessment when we get there. Keep an eye on, excuse me, semiconductors here. SMH tends to be a leading indicator, and in this case, it's not leading, it's lagging. All right, SPY and the Nasdaq have both made more impressive progress than the SMH. What do I mean by that? Well, SMH has only managed to rally to its 0.618% retracement, hasn't managed to clear it, and it's still stuck under the 50-day moving average. All right, so technically weaker than the other two in terms of its upward progress. If SMH is rejected at these levels and it starts heading lower, that would be a warning sign for the major indices as well, because like I said, SMH tends to lead. Of course, if SMH can actually clear these levels and challenge its previous high, that would be a pretty bullish outcome. Okay, we don't have a setup here. There's nothing definitive, just something to keep an eye on. Now, if you'd like to learn more about what these lines on my charts mean and how I use them and how I find high probability setups, come along to tomorrow's event. All right, it's going to be at 8 p.m. Singapore time, 8 a.m. New York time. Head over to www.towertrading/volatility. Save your spot for free, and we will be doing a deep dive on all things volatility and how to make money from it and how to find opportunities in it. So come along to this free event. If you enjoy these videos, I think you'll love the event. So I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Thank you.